Do I have any rights to my father's estate, even if an affidavit has been filed saying that I'm not an heir? I'm going to answer that question for you in this video. Hi, I'm probate attorney Dan Scott, and I help families work through the probate process in a calm and smooth manner. Stress-free, I say sometimes. But today the question is, if an affidavit of heirship is filed in the Register of Deeds office, can that affidavit take away your right to inherit property? And more precisely, here's what happened. Father dies. There are 5 siblings plus mother. Mother and 3 of the siblings sign an affidavit, what's called an affidavit of heirship, where they say, I'm the spouse, I'm the 3 kids, we're the sole heirs at law. And they record that at the Register of Deeds office, and they set about to do a real estate transaction. The reason they filed that affidavit is to allow a title lawyer to believe that it's true and proceed with a transaction with a deed signed by mother and those 3 children. But under the facts, there's actually another sister and there's a brother that's not included in the affidavit. And now those 2 are saying, wait a minute, what about me? What about me? Have I lost my interest by the affidavit? And the answer to that question is no, absolutely not. You can't lose your interest by some third party filing an affidavit saying, we're the only heirs. And that's what happened in this case. And so the problem, of course, is you're going to have to come in and assert your heirship. You may have to actually file suit in a chancery court against the people that acquired the property, saying, hey, wait a minute, I have an interest in that property. Or maybe you file suit against the mother and the other children and say, look, you were trying to defraud me of my rights. And you kind of need to be careful about that. But I tell you, the first thing I would do if I found out about that is I would file an affidavit myself that says me and my sister are heirs at law, and make sure you set out who your father was, who your mother was, who your siblings are, and put that of record or record it in the Register of Deeds office in the county in which the property is located. And the reason why is you want anybody that searches title to see that, because then they'll be on notice and nobody will do a transaction if they're regular, straight up honest folks. They won't do a transaction in the face of the affidavit until those questions are resolved. So the short answer to the question is, somebody filing an affidavit in the Register of Deeds office cannot divest you of title or divest you of the right to inherit from your father. And sometimes people do bad things, but that one is not going to work. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, would you go ahead and subscribe to our channel? And if you do, then I can let you know when we post new videos. We do that pretty much all the time. Thanks for watching.